Again, I am testing the latest change in the dashboard. I make some improvements on the gear indicator. I use a big display and also the vacuum meters to measure the vacuum on each carburetor. And also I moved the oil pressure meter here because it was on the front before, and this new meter measures the water pressure of the radiator, okay? And the digital gear indicator with a bigger display is very nice because the visibility and also looks great, and this makes me very happy, okay? Is indicating that the voltage regulator is overcharging. This buzzer indicates that, but it's not an issue because the voltage regulator needs to stabilize, and the reference voltage it changes with the temperature. I need to wait 1 minute to stabilize the temperature and regulate in the proper range, okay? But it's not an issue. But the best here today is the big display on the gear indicator. It works very well. And so I show at the beginning two numbers 1, twice the number 1, because the counting pulse to operate, to detect the gear, to operate properly, need to be at 18 kilometers per hour, the speed. This is the minimal speed to detect the gear in use. And because I am below this speed, and when I start to drive the motorcycle, okay, and this is the problem, no? Why it indicates 1-1, but then it changes, okay? And so again, overcharging situation, but this will end approximately in 1 minute. Works very well, this dashboard. It's something different on an old motorcycle. Nobody has built that. I think that is the unique in all the world. There's nothing developed in this way, and so no. I will go to the road right now to test all the gears because I programmed properly the gear indicator to indicate on all the gears, and it will make a test on the road, okay?